Manipur University ki Research and Development Cell amasung Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS na punna sinduna academic writing research and publication haiba hiramda Chayol ama Chathagadaba workshop program Houdokpagi Thouram ama ngasi MU gi BC Court Hall da Houkhre Thouram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Singh na chief guest Research and Development Cell MU gi Director Professor CS Ibuhol Maitena President Loinana Professor Memcha Loitongbam Dean School of Social Sciences Manipur University Professor Laisham Prabhakar Singh Director MIMS MU Amadi Professor Anis Gupta Singh Department of Economics Delhi School of Economics DU na Chingbana Guest of Honor Singh Oina Sarukyaki Chief Guest ki warol da MU gi BC Professor N Lokendra na haikibada NEP 2020 lakpada ahung bukaya lakpana UG amadi PG course singda achauba singna ba amaga loinana mahiroi singna tongan ba interdisciplinary course singda tamba yabaga loinana knowledge hengatpa ngamlagani haiki masina ahenba research tobuda kudong chaba piragani haiki thoronga mari leinana Research and Development Cell Manipur University gi Director Professor CS Ibol Mitaina haikibada hawgalakliba research scholar faculty member singda yamna quality leina research tongnabagi pandamda program Sinbani NEP 2020 ki matung inna ahenba research tawduna India asi malemgi chokhat lamjelda khumang chawsina chatpada tongan ba hiramda khong thangjinduna chatpagi tangai fadaba leibada ngasigi thoram asida saruk yariba singna achauba thongdang lawba ngamlagani haiki workshop asida mapandagi maming leiraba institute singda miyoi kayana session kayada wangangani hairi
development cell Manipur Institute of Management Studies ani na kusab na ragada kay 1 week workshop Hyderabad 1 week workshop on academic writing research and publication so koi shijit bagi bapu mo ba pandam di young learners young scholars inside the research ki input se yang quality leina koi work to na ba aduga mai outcomes na tungan ba area the solution se people namdana ba adugi pandamdani barandi kay no habakanda hodi NEP 2020 lakpa aduga India ki oina so Viksit Bharat ki dream amada sahi chang surapa Independence Day ki thorondadi India se developed nation nama oina bagi pandamdu thami aduna punamak singsigi problem mayam singsigi Hajabak solution ama porana ba sakot mai da chanchin gi haibat argadi quality research laina thabak tawba adu research ki output singuna solution oigedo bani adu gi theme da akoi tongan resource persons from outside the state including Indian Institute of Management Nagpur Delhi School of Economics Vishwa Bharati University